Quick, he said. Simple, he said. Not outdoors, I said. Welcome to another outside cooking video. George is flat out here, busy prepping prawns. I have the pan on here, just about to get some lovely Picanha steaks in. George, what are we doing today?
A surf and turf sandwich is what we're doing. So we've got steak picanha. I've got some prawns that I'm going to coat and deep fry in some coconut. And that's all going to get done into a roll with some beautiful pickled veg that I've got done already, pre-prepped.
Very nice. Right, so I'm just going to season our steaks.
Season.
Plenty salt. Crack of black pepper. We're not going to go too fussy with the steaks because we just want the meat to sing for itself. And then they're going to go straight in. George, this table of ours isn't... my oil is all down one side of the pan.
It's all right, we had that last week in the other spot as well. I did try to compensate for the level, but obviously it didn't work that well. Right, so prawns are, while you've got your picanha cooking, I've got egg wash and desiccated coconut. So we're just gonna lamp our prawn into the egg, give that a whoosh whoosh around.
Oh, so you're gonna do them all and then rest them to the side?
Kind of. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get them egg washed, coconutted, and I'm gonna leave them in the coconut while I prep the garnish. And then the board's gonna come off and the heat's gonna go on and I'll be cooking then as well.
Lovely, lovely. It's all lovely.
Lovely.
I must say I'm enjoying this couple of weeks of summer that we've eventually gotten.
Yeah, and apparently it's supposed to last for about another week.
Oh yeah.
Which is huge for Ireland. Shh, I've just dropped coconut everywhere. I was trying to keep my hands one clean and one dry because that's what you do when you pan it. So I, instead of put my other hand into it, I shifted it inside the bowl and it didn't work very well.
I'm just going to throw a bit of crushed garlic. Actually, let's get rid of that out of there. These steaks I'm going to give maybe 2 minutes on either side, and that should be plenty because we want them about medium.
Yeah, and then we're going to take out the steak and rest it and toast the bread.
All right, let's have a little peek under here. Oh yes, lovely. These aren't actually going to take as long.
Right folks, I actually messed up a little bit. I need a bit more chocolate.
Disgraced coconut.
Disgraced coconut, yeah. That should be a lot better there now. Shouldn't ever lean over hot oil like this, but I'm all right, I know what I'm doing.
I got you, kid, I got you.
My lovely big brother, huh? All right, so that's our garnish done nice and quick, which is why I knew I could take the risk.
Just lean down there into the kitchen.
That's it. Do you know what I'm gonna do while I'm at it? I'm gonna slice up this lime as well, and that'll give us a nice piece squeeze over the top.
So George, what way do you like your steak? Do you like it medium, medium?
I'm kind of a mid-rare kind of guy. I don't like it bloody, but I also don't want it anywhere near well done.
Okay, so I'm gonna...
a well done steak is a waste, an absolute waste.
These are nearly done already. So we're gonna add a nice...
Yeah, once this gets up to heat as well, you're talking seconds to get these done. Oh, butter down.
And we're gonna chuck our garlic.
Not flambeing, no.
What have we got, George? Irish apple rum.
Yeah, so this came from my birthday last year. Yeah, she's powerful tack. That came from my birthday last year. It was a present from somebody. Which is funny because they know I don't they know I don't really drink alcohol, but they knew I was interested in that drink. Oh yeah, nice.
There you go. I don't know if you can see that on camera.
Oh, I bet you can. I hope you can. Oh. We'll test the oil.
Test the oil.
That's it. No, seriously, water. Because water reacts so viciously with oil. Yeah, if you pour it in and it starts bubbling, then chances are it's going to be good.
So for some reason last week these stores were hotter.
They were unreal.
There is a bit more of a breeze.
Yeah, a wee bit, all right. All right, let's start popping in some of this.
Right, so just a bit of basting with the butter and the rum. Yeah, I know oh, yours is blasting away. For some reason mine's not that happy.
Yeah,
I must be
know
breaking the
what's
wind
happened.
for you, George.
That's it, exactly. Yeah, even though the wind's coming from my side, but anyway. No, unfortunately, I'm not going to get the time to be able to get all of this in at once, so we may have to come back to this for snacking prawn afterwards. But there should
Yeah,
be...
we're not going to use all of them in the sandwich. Anyway,
No,
so
not at
we
all.
can-
No. Yeah,
we can use them half same as the steaks. We're not going to use 2 steaks in one sandwich, but we'll eat it off camera though.
Yeah, no, we'll call that enough for now. No, wild fish slice. Because we didn't bring a slotted spoon.
We have to get onto the kitchen management.
No.
Right, I'm going to call them done.
Yeah, and I'm about a minute away on these, somewhere there. Oh yeah, that almost looks like pepper sauce.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, smells delicious. Yeah, so all we need to do while they're resting is leave your butter and stuff in there and use that to toast the bread.
So, I'll just pull out of my kitchen there.
That's it.
Bit of tin foil, a wild tin foil.
It's the call of the wild tin foil. Caw-caw! Lovely. So, I'm just going to top and tail the bread roll. That'll give us a bit of
I'm going to
snacking.
stay there and rest.
Snacking bread. Which way do you want to open this? That way or that way?
Oh, I go that way.
This way?
Yeah.
He says, leaning over hot oil again. It's okay, folks. Professional chef. Ex-professional chef. No, bread. These are looking brown. Oh, they're nearly there. They're nearly there. The oil's hot, but it's not massively hot, unfortunately, because of the breeze.
We're actually slightly less prepared this week.
A little bit, but
Than
we're
last
all right.
week.
We're actually doing all right, in fairness.
I kind of thought we'd pare down. Do you want to throw your prawns in that? Thought we'd pare down what we brought with us, but it looks like we could have actually done with more. I'm going to pop them in there for a minute.
No, I'm going to call them
they're
done.
delicious.
Yeah, I'm going to call them done and get them out.
Oh, is that a fish just jumped in the
It
background?
heard like it, yeah. You may have seen that in the background. I heard it. No.
Now, what are you doing? Looking after a child? No, sir.
By the way, that's a very Irish thing. If you ever do come to Ireland, especially as an American, it's going to confuse the daylights out of you. We have this habit of saying no, sir. If we hand you something, like if you come in for something to eat or whatever, we'll hand you the plate of food and go, no, or no, sir. We're not asking you to actually do anything now, it's offering it to you. Ooh, nice.
Cheers, a little.
All right, well then, do you want to grab one of them as well?
Oh yeah, okay, why more?
And we might put a small squeeze of lime on it. And this will be like the tester. Looks like
Why not? A little snack, I'm starving. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, yum.
So simple and beautiful. That was literally prawn on toast.
Yeah.
No, that's good.
Right, will we have a quick clean down and
Yeah, and we'll be back in 2 minutes.
Right, so these are some pickles that are some pickled cucumber, chili and carrots that George prepared last night.
If you want to see how that was done, there's a short on the page.
There you go.
Professionalism. So, when I pickled these, I pickled them whole so they'd keep a bit of body to them. And now what I'm going to do is just chop them down for the sandwich.
Okay, slice the steak.
Yeah, go for gold. She should be good. Got a couple of bits of cucumber. And slice them in half. Bet they're going to be really good.
Okay, George, so remember you said you wanted it rare. It's not.
Oh, she's well...
It's well done.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh well, look it is what it is. That's absolutely
Want to try the
fine.
other one?
Here, I'd say they'll probably be both the same, really, won't they? The pickled garlic, I'm not going to bother with. I'm just going to go chili, cucumber, and carrot, and a little bit of dill.
Right, I'm fired for cooking proteins. I mucked the steak up. Oh, she's a bit pink on that side.
Yeah, no, she's all right. It will survive.
Oh, this one's better. There you go. So it is slightly pink in the middle.
Yeah.
I was on a roll cooking proteins. It looks like Well, that to do it.
So, we'll open her up there. And let you layer in. That's a nice bit of toast on there. I like that.
We spin them that way.
Yeah. Straight in. And we'll get some of the prawn in on top of that. Oh, that looks good. Oh, I dropped some. No, come back, prawn. And we will lay some of the pickled carrot. And the cucumber. We got a bit of chili over the top because it ain't mine if it ain't no chili. And then we got a little bit of dill. So this is homegrown dill from the G&B garden. And we've got some fresh shallot for the top, which isn't pickled, which will give that bite and the allium to it. And we'll go squeeze across the top.
Come on, George, I'm starving.
All right, guys. Let's get some sexies and then we get to some tasting. Back in a moment.
Get him on there. Right, we
Chop that bugger in half and let's get into it.
Let's get at it.
I'll get this half, you get that half. It's a twin job, you know. Team player. Oh. Yo. Can we get a cross section of that? I don't know.
Right, George.
Delicious. Down the gap, my
Cheers.
friend.
It looks lovely.
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh.
He lost his prawn.
First thing I get is a lovely crunch from the outside of the roll. Chili's there.
There's a touch of chili, there's a hint of vinegar, sweetness, but it's none of it is blocking out the meat.
No.
There's still plenty of the
The
meat
steak
flavour.
comes through, yeah. Lovely.
I don't know if you know this, but this is my first time having a picanha.
Okay.
And I will definitely be looking for that in future. That's really nice.
So I've gone to a good few like Brazilian barbecue places, and they use the fat cap on the picanha. You've seen them slicing the meat off of the skewers.
Yeah.
That piece of meat, that one with the big fat cap, and they do a horseshoe on the skewer. That's picanha.
Yeah.
So it's that slice of meat, but they like the steak and then fold it in half. So then when you're cooking it on the grill, the fat is still
it all renders within
rendering
itself.
back into it.
Comment down below if you'd like to see us attempt Brazilian barbecue.
Oh, yeah. Many things I have tried, but that's up the top of my list.
Yeah, we need... We're in small numbers, so we'll say 5 comments. If 5 people ask us to do it, we'll give it an attempt. I'm going back in.
Right, one more. Putting that dill in them made all the difference.
Yeah, so I didn't have any dill when I made these. I just couldn't get it in the town I'm from. Don't know why. But luckily, at GrubandBanter headquarters, we have dill growing wild, so we got someone put it in there this morning, and it's delicious. It's really good. So flavorful. Unbelievable.
Right, we wrap it up, George?
I think we wrap it up
And
from
we'll
there.
finish this, because the people don't need to see us eating.
Exactly, yeah. So again, real quick, if you want to know how to make these pickles, I'll leave a card up here that'll bring you to the video of how to make them.
Yeah, so that's the end of another quick video on summer season cooking outside for GrubandBanter.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us. Give it a go. You can do it in your house or even on the barbecue at the back.
Exactly, yeah.
Why not?
That's it, exactly. Coming up next, we have got a chicken and potato dish, so keep an eye out for that one as well in the future. And I think we leave it there.
Perfect, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again.
Peace out. You've heard of Save the Dolphins. This is Save the Jellyfish. Did you get him?
He's upside down.
Look at him go.
I don't know, does that make a difference?
Maybe. Poor fella.